Hello and welcome to Code Blaze. So this is going to be a simple short episode or a tutorial explaining how you would export any Godot game for Android, right? So some prerequisites here, you need to have Android SDK installed and leave some links down below. The easiest way would be to installing Android Studio and that automatically installs the SDK. Or if you want to manually install the SDK and don't need the complete ID, that's also possible. But once you have Android SDK installed somewhere on your device, and if you're using the Android Studio, that would set up a debug key store also, because that would be required. But you can set up key stores manually also. Again, links with for everything would be down below. But with these two prerequisites, the Android SDK and a debug key store, you can go ahead and start your exporting process. So first things first, we need to put the path for our Android SDK in our editor settings. So in under export for Android, you need to put the path for your Android SDK, and this is the root folder where you have this known packages file and all your other SDK folders. So just select that, and that way Godot knows where the SDK is. Finally, in your export template, you can go ahead and add Android, and by default you'll see a error message here stating that no debug key store information is there. Now if you have installed the SDK using Android Studio, a default debug key store would be created in your .android folder under your user profile. So you can just go there and select the debug key store, and for the default debug key store, the user and password is this only. Ideally, if you're going to be pushing it to the Play Store, you'll need to create your own release key store with the release user and passwords. And keep in mind never to share these settings, as these settings are used to digitally put a digital signature on your APK so that the Play Store can know that this APK is coming from the correct source. But we don't need all that. So with these two settings, and we'll be using the debug key store only for now, we can give it a path. Okay, so here only we'll say, like for me, the color switch. Okay, why is it saying to open a file? Oh, it's the custom templates, so we'll need to set the export path here. Sorry. We'll just save it here, and we'll click export project, export with debug. So that's all. Godot will go ahead and bundle your project as part of an APK and sign it with the debug key stores. Next, I'll start up the Android emulator and we'll try to install this APK and see if our app actually runs. Now that you have an APK file available, you can go ahead and copy it to a regular Android device, or if you're using an emulator like me, you can go ahead and install it to the emulator. So to do that, all you need to do is take your APK file and just drag it, right? And you see a small helper box also visible here, which says APKs will be installed. Other files will be copied to the download folder. So since it's an APK, it will install it and we'll see our APK available here. So let's go ahead and start this. So since I'm using an emulator with those Intel acceleration is not turned on my system, this does take some time. But if you're using a real device, the startup is pretty quick, as games built in Godot, especially a simple game like Color Switch, is pretty lightweight. So we can go ahead and play our game here. As you can see, it's exactly like how it would appear that we were running from our engine also. So we can create a score, and if the game is over, our score is printed. So basically our game is working perfectly fine. Now you can go ahead and share this APK with your friends, since it's something that you have built on your own. And that's it for the series, right? That's finally it. I can't believe I've actually got the time to finish the series after so many delays. But Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting this series. I hope this series has been your a gateway or a starting point for you to learn Godot and testing out Godot's functionality in more of a practical project and how it would feel in a real game. So if you've liked the series and want to see more such content, either it be for Godot, Unity, or Unreal, please do subscribe, share it with your friends, do leave a rating or any other feedback down below in the comments. I love reading all your comments, and it's been a very pleasureful journey till now for my channel. And I really hope uh, we expand more, build up a community, and learn together. So, thanks for watching, and that's it from Code Bless today. Bye.